Here I've got MOTOROLA Razr from 2019, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings, go to the accounts, then they are right here, and as you can see we are currently logged in with Google account, so if you would like to remove it, just click on it once and then select remove account. Then confirm that you would like to delete this account with all its messages, contacts and other user data by tapping on remove account. And that's it. As you can see, it's no longer connected with your device. And then whenever you would like to add another account or log in with the same account, just open the settings, go to the accounts, pick add account, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, and then just Google. And now you have to enter your phone number or email address, whichever is connected with your Google account. In my case, it's email address. And then tap on next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it's done, just tap on next. And as you can see here, we've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. You should take a look at them, and if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, just tap on I agree. And that's it. You've just added a Google account, just click on accept to finish the whole operation. And as you can see from now on, it's connected with your Motorola Razr. So this is it. That would be all. So you can add and remove Google account. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.